Hi kids! Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever been working on your computer and thought, there's gotta be a quicker way to do this? Well, guess what? There's a ton of secret shortcuts hiding right under your fingertips. Whether it's working on 2 windows at a time, seeing a history of your clipboard, introducing fun emojis into your writing, taking a quick peek at your desktop, or even instantly creating a new folder to help with organizing your schoolwork and fun materials, there's a shortcut for everything. In today's video, we're going on a super fun adventure to uncover 10 awesome PC shortcuts you probably didn't know about. We've got a challenge for you. Try to spot all the shortcuts we're about to share, keep count, and see if you can use them all by the end of this video. Ready? Let's dive in. Shortcut 1. Alt plus Tab. Switch between open applications. Have you ever needed to jump between a game and your homework super quickly? With Alt plus Tab, you can switch between any apps you have open in a flash. Let's give it a try now. Hold down the Alt and Tab keys together and see how fast you can switch. See how easy that was? You're now a multitasking master. Let's move on to the next shortcut. Shortcut 2. Windows key plus D. Show or hide the desktop. Ever had your screen filled with so many windows and wish to get back to your desktop instantly? Maybe to access an important file that resides there. Just press Windows key plus D and poof. All your windows disappear, showing you your desktop. Need those windows back? Just press Windows key plus D again and they're all back. It works just like magic. Shortcut 3. Windows key plus M. Minimize all open windows. Let's say you have a ton of windows open and suddenly someone walks in and you need to hide them all. Hit Windows key plus M and they'll all minimize instantly. Super handy, right? Now, you might be wondering, like my 7-year-old self would have done, what's the difference between Windows key plus D and Windows key plus M? Tell us in the comments section what you think it is before proceeding to hear our explanation. Have you done that? Now let's explain the difference. With Windows key plus D, you're not just minimizing your windows, you're showing the desktop and you can press it again to bring everything back exactly where it was. However, with Windows key plus M, all your open windows are minimized and you can't bring them back up by repeating the command. So use Windows plus M to tidy up and Windows plus D when you want to peek at your desktop and then return to your work or games. Do you understand the difference now? Let's see the next shortcut. Shortcut 4. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Open Task Manager directly. Did you know you can rescue your computer when it freezes up? Whether it got stuck on a game or another program, don't worry. With Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, you can open Task Manager directly and see what's slowing things down. Hold down the keys, Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape together, and boom! Task Manager pops up, ready to help you close the Troublemaker application, all in the blink of an eye. Let's unlock a few more secret powers to make your computer skills even cooler. Shortcut 5. Windows key plus L. Lock your PC. Ever need to step away from your computer but want to make sure no one messes with it? Just press Windows key plus L and your computer is locked tight. It's like putting your computer to sleep until you're ready to wake it up again. Remember to use this one whenever you leave your computer, even if it's just for a quick snack. Shortcut 6. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Create a new folder. Do you have lots of files and need to get organized? Ctrl plus Shift plus N is here to help. Press those keys and a new folder appears, ready for you to fill out with your stuff. It's perfect for organizing your games, schoolwork and pictures. Go ahead, try it out and see how neat your desktop can be. Shortcut 7. Alt plus F4. Close the current window or application. Ever finished playing a game or wrapping up your homework and wanted to close it super fast? With Alt plus F4, you can close any window or application in a flash. Just press Alt plus F4 and watch the window disappear like magic. But be careful to make sure you're ready to close it, or you might lose your work. Give it a try next time you're done working on an application and see how fast you can close it up. Shortcut 8. Windows key plus arrow keys. Snap windows to sides. Do you know you can do two things at once on your PC, like browsing the internet while keeping an eye on your homework? Windows key plus arrow keys lets you snap windows to the sides or corners of your screen. It's like having a split screen feature. Try snapping your favorite game and a homework app side by side. Super cool, right? Shortcut 9. Windows key plus period, or Windows key plus semicolon. Open the emoji panel. Ever wish you could add a little fun to what you're typing? With Windows key plus period or Windows key plus semicolon, you can open the emoji panel and pick from tons of cool emojis. Whether you want to show how happy you are with a big smiley face or just add some sparkle to your words, this shortcut makes it super easy and fun. Next time you're typing something, don't forget to try this out and make your message stand out with some awesome emojis. Shortcut 10. Windows key plus V. Access clipboard history. Imagine if you could remember everything you copied since you turned on your PC for work or play, whether text or pictures. That's exactly what Windows key plus V does. It opens your clipboard history so you can see and use everything you've copied, even from hours ago. Next time you copy something cool, but then forget to paste it, just press Windows plus V and it'll be right there waiting for you. Wow! Look at all those awesome shortcuts you've just learned. With these tricks up your sleeve, there's no stopping you from being a computer wizard. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. So far, we talked about Alt plus Tab to switch between apps, Windows key plus D to show or hide your desktop, Windows key plus M to minimize all your windows, Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager directly, Windows key plus L to lock your computer, Ctrl plus Shift plus N to create a new folder, Alt plus F4 to close the current window, Windows key plus arrow keys to snap windows, Windows key plus period or Windows key plus semicolon to open the emoji panel, and Windows key plus V to open or access clipboard history. Did you try all of them? If not, don't worry. You can always re-watch and practice until you're a shortcut master. Now, here's a little challenge for you. 1. What is the difference between Windows key plus M shortcut and Windows key plus D shortcut? A. Windows key plus M closes all apps, while Windows key plus D locks the computer. Windows key plus M opens the Start menu, while Windows key plus D opens File Explorer. Windows key plus M minimizes all windows, while Windows key plus D shows the desktop. Windows key plus M opens the Task Manager, while Windows key plus D minimizes all windows. You have 7 seconds to answer the question. Have you done that? Let's move on to the next question. 2. Which key is used to switch between apps? A. Ctrl plus C, Alt plus Tab, Windows key plus V, Alt plus F4. Next question. 3. What does Alt plus F4 shortcut do? A. It opens the Start menu. B. It refreshes the current window. C. It switches between open tabs in a browser. D. It closes the currently active window or app. You got your answers? I want to see them in the comments section. Thanks for hanging out with us today and learning these cool tricks. Remember, with great shortcuts come great power, so go ahead, show off your skills, and have fun with your computer. See you in the next video, and keep being awesome. Bye for now.